Counting cash with the phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, five eyes, fires, potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. Any girl that I'm dating knows. Bags that I buy come filled with 50s. She a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public affection, I tell her come kiss me. I like.
She's a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public affection, I tell her come kiss me. He's me.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit and smashing on a banger. Yeah, people. Fancy from the title. How y'all doing? Everything good? I hope y'all feeling good and everything feeling blessed on this Friday evening. I hope y'all had a great day. I hope y'all about to enjoy the weekend. You know, everybody relax and get work week off you. Well, yeah, guys, today I have a really dope track for you today from our UK artist called Dave, our Santan Dave, and this one this track is entitled Starlight, and it's a video. I'm not very familiar with Dave, but he seems to be a really popular UK artist, and we're about to check him out, see what's going on, see if it's a dope artist or not, you know what I'm saying? But we do it over here, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell to get more videos as soon as I upload them. Turn your views on subscribers. Love you guys like cook food. Love you guys, crazy. We're going over here strong. Appreciate the love and support. Well, yeah, man. But yeah, man, for my UK family, I got a new track for you today. It's Dave entitled Starlight, and we're gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man. So we're not gonna hold the vibe much longer. We're gonna jump right in the track. Let's get it.
It's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with the phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, five eyes, fires, potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. I do know my man, but I don't trust him.
Yeah, I'm on real dope. I really like, when I tell you I like UK music, y'all don't even know, man. I really like, y'all diction, cadence, the beat choice, everything, bro. I just like the vibe. Yeah, man, I like all the UK swag, man. Yo, that track's so crazy. That track is crazy. That windbreaker crazy, cause you hear me, that windbreaker crazy, cause let's get it. Take it from the top.
It's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with the phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, five eyes, fires, potential.
Counting cash to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Come on.
Wifey in the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. I do know my man, but I don't trust him. Trust that bees in the trap, disgusting. Stick with a stick. PVA, PDA. Kiss that in public. South London, why I made my South London's why I made my first
PVA, PDA. Kiss that in public. Easy.
100 elastic bands, plastic bags, 2 in the blue like cheese and onion. In Jamaica, quick vacation, traveling my pastime.
Easy in Jamaica, quick vacation, yo.
Enough pollution in the ends, I flew back yard car, I wanna see Starlight. Eritrean skin tone sentiment, I think I found my princess. My empress still gonna
skin tone sentiment, I think I found my princess. Boy, I know how you feel, my G.
Impress, I know them man talking a kid, but it's hard to hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with the phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death, five eyes, fires, potential wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. Any girl that I'm dating knows. Bags that I buy come filled with 50s. She a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public affection, I tell her come kiss me. I like.
She's a 10 out of 10 on a bad day. Public affection, I tell her come kiss me. He's
mine obsessed, clingy. If she don't miss me, miss me. If
she don't miss me, miss me. What?
Don't miss me, history. If she don't miss me,
if she don't miss me, history.
It's a mystery. G17 and
don't miss me, it's a mystery.
Party tipsy. Don't drink, that's risky. Focus, show's gonna land like Disney. I'm putting down under Sydney. That's big, I'll donate both my kidneys. True love what the kid needs. And a girl from the West Indies. I know them man talking the kid, but it's hard to hate.
He is a G.
Hate on the truth I'm living in. Enough men hate with their lies instead. Counting cash with the phone to my ear. I feel like Meek on a private jet. Life or death. 5 eyes, fires, perpetual wifey. In the street, respected highly. In the street, protected. In this world that I'm in, you wanna take pics with the belts in the ring, but don't help in the gym. Enough girls dating their biggest haters. How a boyfriend don't want her to win.
That's so facts. That's so facts, bro. I always said that, bro. I'm like, I be seeing people in relationships. I'm like, all y'all in relationships, and y'all not like doing good. Like, how you a girl in a relationship and your nigga doing good, but you doing bad, or you're a nigga in a relationship and you doing bad and your girl doing good. Like, what's going on, bro? Like, it's like y'all partners hating on y'all. Y'all partners don't want y'all. That's crazy, kid.
Alright, rare. I want my girlfriend never wanna see me have a good time out if she ain't there. Yeah. Fly me to the moon, let me get some space. Seeing them stars in a private story, I dust that chick, she got no grace. See her X-Men, she got no taste. Hip dip, she got no waist. Body snatch, serving face.
Dude, Dave, you snapping, my G. I should have did this a long time ago. Yo, Dave, you snapping, my G.
Hold my hand, personal trainer. Frequent flyer, bad, she tone and tan. Free my gang, 013s and 020s. Oh, God knows I miss my bros. I just got a call from Joe on the phone and that man.
Doing your thing, my G. Really dope track, yo. DF me G, you did your thing on that one, dog. I ain't gonna lie. Real dope track, yo. Really dope beat, melody, ad-libs, metaphors, similes, all that, my nigga. Yo, you snapped on that light, that real vibe, real like personal, vulnerable type tune rap. You know what I'm saying? Real dope, man. Definitely, you're definitely gonna be an artist on my playlist, bro. I'm looking out for more from you. You know what I'm saying? And definitely looking for more videos and definitely gonna do more reactions. You know what I'm saying? Sorry, guys. Yeah, sorry about that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. If you like the track, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Like up the video, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so I get my videos as soon as I upload them. You don't know, it's your boy Jambisco. Love you guys. I was here with another hitting and smashing out. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.